2010 Mercedes Benz is having a malfunction for the steering wheel, but steering wheel is fine, brakes are fine, but what I think it might be either like a wheel speed sensor or I don't know, but check this out. So as you get this, I will show you what I did to fix it. But to fix that, you have to. So first you need to get a new one like this. You're gonna need a new one. It has 4 screws. I believe it's T20, so 4 T20s that you have to remove.
You got it?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. Okay.
I'm just making a YouTube video. So to take this off, you need to remove that cap and then press on this, and then you have to pull. Then after that, you need to remove this. You just push this and then push it that way, and that's how that came out. Then you have to remove 4 screws, which are these ones. So after that, you need to swap it, and then you need to put the VIN number from your car. So you have to code the new part for your chassis, because this one has the VIN number from the old car. So this one is all programmed to this chassis now. This is the new one. This is the one that I removed from this car. So now everything is fixed.
Yeah, I know it's a little sketchy.
Especially because I have the old.
So now the message. So that's how you fix it. If you guys stay on California, hit me up if you guys need help. Yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit a like. Thanks. This thing is done. Now I'm gonna go test it. So let's see. No more message. So this car is ready to go. So thanks for watching. Make sure you give a like, subscribe, and if you guys need help, like if you guys need to program this, if you stay on California, I stay on Santa Ana, Cali, let me know. If you need coding for BMW, Audis, Benz, let me know. I'm able to do anything. Thanks. Peace.